Yes? Who is this? You've taken my girlfriend. And you gonna blow her up with dynamite. Hi, YouTube! Today we will see if I can stop a dynamite from exploding by cutting the wick with my FXCD Bullpup 25 caliber at 20 meter. My baby needs me. This shot is very difficult. That's why I must train. Let's start. Wish me luck. Okay, I think I'm ready. Now for the real thing. I know the location that they keep here. Let's go. The location is down there. Let's find her. Oh my God. They have her bound to her little pink chair. They are ready to blow her up. I must save her. Oh my God! I did it! Baby, I'm coming! If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching! Fire the horn! Hi YouTube! Today I have with me my...
What is that?